Hi everyone, this is Liza. Welcome again to my channel. I'm sharing with you unboxing my first Knitcrate. If you have not heard about Knitcrate, it's a subscription box service for Fiverr artists. Okay, let's open it. I have no idea what's all in there, but I expected there will be two skeins of yarn, but I don't know what the color or what kind of yarn it is. Okay, let's open it. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so this is the theme for this month, contemporary. I'm not sure if I pronounce it correctly. Uh, I'll just show you. Oh, that's nice. Then at the back, they'll show you all what's the inside of the box. And we have here a crochet pattern. And this is the name of the designer. And a knit pattern. And also we have two skeins of yarn. Okay. So this is the name of the yarn by Knitcrate. Wow, it's very soft. And the color is gray twist. It's 40% merino wool, 40% Peruvian highland wool, and 20% nylon. And it's 437 yards. Okay. And it's 4 ply. And it's very thin. Anyway, I don't really like to use this color at this time of the year because I love making a hat and I like to use brighter color like white, turquoise like this, blue, baby pink, and other color. But this yarn is just very soft. It's just very soft. So squeezy. But in the winter time, it would be very nice to make a hat, maybe a slouchy hat, a beanie with pom-pom, I think. Okay, so this box is $24.99 a month, and the shipping fee is included. As it said here that the total value of this is $63, so that's a really big savings. And every month you can expect to receive 2 skeins of premium yarn and 1 crochet pattern and 1 net pattern. The fun about this subscription is you'll never know what kind of yarn and the color you get. It's like a surprise package every month. And the good thing about this subscription, guys, is if you don't like it, you can cancel your subscription anytime. Okay, guys, if you are interested to this subscription box, I leave you my referral link in the description and the code for you to save 20% off your first month or your first order. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and have a blessed day.